Here we have a 69 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £6,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention a few though, we do have the M Sport Plus package, we also have the technology package. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all in excellent condition and unmarked with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, the LED headlights, gloss black front grills and also the front splitter as well. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the side skirts along the bottom. We have the colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae. We do also have the rear spoiler lip on the tailgate. Round to the rear you find front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We do also have a reversing camera as well. Got the dual exhaust with the rear diffuser, and there's a look at the rear. Walking back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior now, inside of the back you'll find we have the full black leather interior, got the ambient lighting on the doors, foldable armrests in the centre, the M Sport style seat belts and also the fixed ISO points. We do also have the electric windows and the premium Harman Kardon sound system. There's a look at the front seats, both of which are heated. There's a look at the sound system. We also have the electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights down there, automatic wipers. Just take a seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will turn on. Cruise control speed limiter here on the left hand side, paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, and we are free from any warning lights as well on the dashboard, other than letting us know about the fuel levels, so nothing to worry about. We do also have the heads up display just up here. Now if the lights or screens are flickering, it is just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We do have the sat-nav navigation here on the main screen, along with plenty of other features you would have seen on the photos. We do have the shortcuts down here, so click onto media, you find the radio stations. We also have the other options just here which we can go through. We have the apps that are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We do have the intelligent safety system just here, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Moving further down you find the climate control, got the ice cold air conditioning, heated seats as well on either side, both working as they should do. We also have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes just here. Put the car into reverse, then you'll find the reversing camera where the parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park just like so. Got the wireless phone charging inside of there with the cup holders, leather armrest as well just there. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.